You guys are wondering, what am I using in terms of my camera? Happy to talk about the camera. You guys ready? Wow, here it is. It's not a very expensive camera, but it is a super high quality camera in comparison to any webcam. So I'm using a Panasonic Lumix G7 camera mounted inside of a ring light. And so I'm using the version of me you see right here in the corner. This is that camera. So this is better than any webcam on planet Earth. And it's not that much more expensive. It's a couple $100s more, not thousands of dollars more. And so how am I using this as a webcam? Well, first of all, I have it mounted here, but I'm gonna go ahead and digitally zoom in so you can kind of see what's going on here. Let me know if this is still visible. You see the little video cable over there on the side of the camera? And you see the other little cable on the side of the camera? So what I'm doing is I'm running the HDMI output out of this camera into my computer. How am I doing that? So the way that I'm doing that, it's really good quality, thank you. The way that I'm doing that is I'm running it through a Cam Link. This device right here. You guys have maybe you guys have heard of it. Let me know if you guys have heard of it. If you have, let me know. But the Cam Link allows you, see the blue cable there? That's the HDMI cable. It's running into my Cam Link, which is running into my computer, okay? And so, as you can see, that's plugged in right here on my production laptop. And that's allowing me to produce this content in real time. So that's giving me this shot you see right here on camera right now. As you can see, the quality of the shot that you're seeing right here with me right now is higher quality than any webcam could ever achieve. Let me turn off the chroma key effect so you guys can see the way it looks without chroma key. So I'm actually got the green screen right behind me, right? I've actually got two green screens behind me. So the Panasonic Lumix G7, when I hook it up to this Cam Link, allows me to convert this super high quality mirrorless camera into a webcam that I can use all day. Because I don't run this thing off of batteries. I actually run it, but the reason why I like the Cam Link is that it gives you this level of quality and it converts the video signal coming out of your camera into a data signal that you can use on Zoom calls, you can use on OBS, you can use in Streamlabs OBS, you can use in XSplit, you can use on Microsoft Teams, you can use on Skype, you can use on FaceTime, you name it. So you can have this level of quality all the time across all calls. And if you get a little power supply to plug into your DSLR camera or your GoPro or your external camera, your real camera, you can run that camera all day. And so this camera that I'm featuring right now, or the camera I'm featuring in the Cam Link, I run this thing, it's up and running for like 14 hours a day. This camera's up and running for 14 hours a day. Insane, right? Just because I'm running a power supply in there. That's it. So it just acts as a webcam all day long. Isn't that great? This camera that you see right here, this is me using my phone as a camera to capture everything else. My other phone as a camera to capture everything about. But this guy right here, that's my primary camera. And that's what I recommend to my clients that I'm recommending gear to all the time. My CEO clients, my YouTuber clients. For the most part, the clients that like this camera the most are my stock trading clients. There's a lot of professional stock traders I consult with as a digital consultant. And they want like a higher quality camera because they're on camera telling people what they think is going to happen with the markets and things like that. And they don't want to use a webcam. They have the money to buy something more expensive. And so what I do is I recommend this setup to them because it is significantly better than any webcam can achieve. So I hope that answers your question.